I got you right here on the 4 hourly. As you can see, the pattern went through. Got a dub, level 1, level 2, level 3, peak formation. Boom, hit 200 EMA. Now we're in the reset. Actually, it came down. Boom, hit the 100. Boom, hit the 50. Boom, now we're hitting the 20 EMA coming down on the 4 hourly. So we have two options here, right? Since we right here and back to where we started at, excuse me, it's either we come back up, hit the 20 EMA, or we may not even hit the 20 EMA, and we could just fall off the table because we're right here in a dangerous area right now. We could fall off the table, or it can try to fake everybody out one last time before it fall off the table. Because like if you watch my content, you know, market maker love doing things by threes, just like this pushes up, 3 pushes up, boom, 3 taps down. But anyways, that's 1 tap to the low. This is the 2nd tap to the low. That's why I say they can make a little baby run up and come down for the 3rd time and crash through. Or they could come up and hit this 100 EMA on a 4 hourly and do the same process again. But at the end of the day, it's still falling off the table. Long story short. Hit y'all on the daily. Alright, so boom. As you see on the daily, we came up, hit the 100. Boom. You see we hit the 50. Boom. You see we hit the 20. Boom. Now right here, you see they could count this right here. You see the way it came down, and you see the green candlesticks and came back up, hit the 100. See, they can count that as a rejection of the 200 M. They could count that and just continue down. That's the issue right now, because, you know, I can't tell you because it appeared that they hit it, or they could come back up and hit it, like I said. But hey, we will find out within next week. The next week is about to be the craziest week in all the markets you probably think of, because it's going to be a tragic ending regardless. But anyways, that's on the daily. So we could come back up here around the general range, probably around like 12,000. You know what I mean? Not too much from where we at, if they do decide to make a crazy run up. But at the end of the day, they're still going down into the next zone. Like once we break through this level right here, around 11,100, right? The candlestick could easily be down here. You know what I'm saying? Like 9,600. There's no more support to right there around 9,600. So there'll be a pretty steep drop, but it's going to be fast because all of the markets are draining everything. Anyways, I say that support right here. You see the stopping pressure? Hold on, take this off. There's stopping pressure right here in these candlesticks right here, and you can see the rejection right there. Boom. That's how you know that's the next level of support around 9,600. After 9,600, we're going to come down and recover this candlestick right here. Let me turn the drone back on. But yeah, we'll come down and recover this candlestick right here. You see the larger candles got to recover. Like when they come with smaller candles, like they kind of recover themselves. So it's not going to have to be such a steep drop. But something like this, these large candlesticks, yeah, they got to recover those fast. And then the final drop, I believe, is to recover all of these candlesticks. Because look, they leave clues like this. Look at that. All the way back in 2015, that extremely large candlestick right here. And it's specifically that large and leaving that space, telling people that this is the low right here. So I believe this thing is coming down to $3,800 to recover this candlestick. And let me go out even further. Now, if you look on the weekly, boom, look to the left. Look at that previous resistance when we had that first real run. And then guess what else that is? A large pattern. You see how I look now? That's the M. This is the dub. Boom. Now we're in the retracement. This should be the low. And then we bounce up and continue our way back on up. Now, once you look at it, now let me go a little closer. It'll start looking more like the pattern. You see? It's like I showed y'all. Y'all can see this in all the charts, no matter what it is. They all do the same thing. I could look at any charts and I find out when I can get in and get out. There's no difference. You just pick what you want to, what you want and how you want to trade it. But I mean, obviously this time in the market ain't the best time to be, playing around if you don't really know what you're doing. But I'm here to tell you and try to teach you still something. But anyways, anything I just said, it's not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.